Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Las Vegas, where craftsmanship meets clarity. Today's topic, the real difference between wood and composite decking, sounds simple but can change how long your outdoor space lasts. Let's start with wood. It's been the go-to for decades. When you picture a classic backyard deck, it's probably cedar or redwood, natural grain, that warm color, maybe a little shine after sealing. Wood feels real, smells great, and gives that traditional look so many homeowners love. But behind that beauty is an ongoing commitment to care. Here in Las Vegas, our combination of sun and dryness accelerates wear. Within a couple of summers, sealed wood can lose its finish. Without maintenance, water from a hose, rain, or even morning condensation can soak in, dry out, and repeat, forming cracks and fading the surface. Composite decking changes that story. Brands like Fiberon produce boards made from recycled materials, part wood fiber, part polymer, that resist warping, splitting, and fading. These materials are designed for extreme heat, which means they stay consistent season after season. One thing homeowners love about composite decks is predictability. You don't have to plan staining weekends or worry about splinters. You simply rinse it off, and it looks like new. That's one less home project to worry about, in a place where sunlight can ruin almost anything left outdoors. Now, cost comes up often. Yes, composite decks usually cost more up front, but in the long view, maintenance and repair costs balance the difference. Instead of resealing wood every year, you simply enjoy the space you already built. Some homeowners choose a blended design, composite decking for the floor with wood trim or railing. This keeps the warmth of natural wood, but retains all the durability benefits of composites. At Tuff Deck Builders Las Vegas, we help clients think practically: how you'll use the deck, what direction it faces, and how much sunlight it gets. Those factors matter just as much as materials. You can call us at 702-766-9561 or visit tuffdeckbuilderslasvegas.com for guidance on what fits your home best. In the end, wood and composite each tell their own story. One is tradition, hands-on and heartwarming. The other is progress, polished, protected, and easy to live with. The right choice is whichever keeps your backyard inviting longer.